Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in for its first regular oil change when the mechanic discovered this on the side of the car. And this customer came into the shop for a simple tire repair, but unfortunately ended up needing a little bit more work than that. This customer came in because their oil cooler was leaking. And this customer came in because apparently they had white smoke coming out of the exhaust, despite recently having changed the oil. And this customer complained about the rear of the car wiggling anytime they hit a bump. The technician found the rear crossmember to be rusted out, and also the sway bar bracket pierced a hole in the gas tank. Customer states, I need a new bed for my pickup, please help. And this Suzuki came in for a bit of a knocking noise. And this customer complained about their Mazda having a stinky smell after coming back from a vacation trip. And this customer came in because the service stability system light was on and they had a fluid leak. Once on the lift, the mechanic found a transfer case to be wrapped in aluminum foil, duct tape, silicone, epoxy, and covered with a layer of spray paint. Customer states, my car handles really badly. And this customer states, my rear door sounds like a half-full water cooler jug. Now what's going on here? And this differential has definitely seen some better days. This car came in because the customer complained about weird noises coming from their differential. This customer came in with her BMW because her ex-husband had done some work on it. Apparently, he had somehow managed to fill the radiator with engine oil. The customer declined all repairs and said that she had to call her ex-husband first. Customer states, my car has starting issues. Customer states, ticking noise coming from the engine. And this customer came in because they had just bought this vehicle on an auction spontaneously and wanted the mechanic to make sure everything looked fine underneath. Customer states, noise coming from the engine. This customer states, I went a bit off-road and now my Jeep won't start. This car came in on a tow truck after getting a new wheel bearing installed at another shop. Apparently, they had been in a rush and forgot the axle nut. And this customer had just bought this BMW that came in with a pretty bad engine knock. Somehow though, it managed to roll into the shop on its own. Customer states, engine is seized. Customer states, my window switch keeps screaming at me no matter how lightly I touch it. Now this might look like a pretty big issue, but it's actually a free drive and assist mode that helps get drivers loose if they're stuck in snow, mud or sand. And this customer came in with some engine issues, but stated that the previous owner had put a new engine in only 10,000 miles ago. And this customer came in with a flat tire, and this is what the mechanic found. Also, the customer insisted that they did not want to buy a new tire. Customer states, my RPM gauge won't stop fighting with the other gauges. Customer states, was driving on the highway when I heard a loud banging noise. This customer came in complaining about poor braking power. And when your project car starts looking like this, it's probably best to find another project. And this car came in because of a blown tire. Apparently the mechanic also found the rest of the tires to have about 100 psi in them. Customer states, car started sounding like a tractor overnight. This customer apparently just wanted his brakes checked and oil changed, and declined any further repairs. And this customer states, it smells like a pig's butt while driving. Customer states, my tire has huge pimples. The mechanic found that this was likely caused by the tire being driven on extremely low pressure with camber and toe, causing the inside of the tire to get hot and bubble up under pressure. Customer states, my car sounds like an elephant when putting it in drive. Customer later declined all repairs. And this customer came in for an oil change and asked the mechanics if they had good coffee, and the mechanic replied, no, but you do. The owner of this Mustang came in because they heard a strange noise at low speeds and thought they had a serious mechanical problem. The mechanic found a slightly detached sticker on the drive shaft that was spanking the bottom of the car. And sadly, for this customer, they will need more than a Brita filter to make this right. A customer states, my brakes are squeaking hella bad. This customer had to jumpstart their Citroën, but now has this issue. And this customer stated that they hit a nail, but their ex-husband fixed it, but the car still has a bad vibration while driving. Yeah, that's probably alright. This 2008 Ford F-150 came in to get a new oil pan gasket when the mechanic discovered some treats inside the oil pan. Apparently, the truck even drove in like this. Customer states, my steering wheel feels wobbly. This customer came in because they hear a knocking sound from their newly installed transmission. Unfortunately for this customer, it looks like they might need another transmission replacement. This mechanic was about to put this new transmission cooler into the customer's car, but when he got the old one out, he noticed that the transmission had been under some serious pressure. Customer states, wobbling steering wheel. Wonder why. And this 2010 Chevy Impala came in with a few issues. It has pretty new control arms, but whoever did the job forgot the cotter pins and a couple other things. And this customer came in with their Hyundai because he had fixed an oil leak all by himself with glue and Flex Seal spray, but the car was still leaking oil. Customer states, drove through water, need engine drained and oil replaced. This customer told the shop that their car was supposedly vandalized and asked for an estimate to repair it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.